Hey Rebecca, just wanted to go over a quick update of where I'm at. This couple weeks I've been actually working on the store. Unfortunately, it took a lot of debugging and a lot of trial and error in changing things up. I thought that it was going to be a day or two of a thing, but it was not. So I have it to where I'm I'm ready to add in my art assets, and I got all the scripting done for it. It's just a matter of actually making the art assets and putting them in. Um, but it's pretty much ready to go. Once I add the art, the character will change once you upgrade the coins. I have it to where you can upgrade the character itself and launch him further and further. So if I add some coins, I can equip a new skin. It'll deduct and then show what is able to be selected. So I can select this skin, and then the one over here, once I open that one up, 200 is deducted as well, and I can select between 3 different characters, so that's pretty cool. Also, level up works amazing. So it automatically tells you what's next. Once you don't have enough coins, you can't upgrade again, and it does affect your launch and how far you go in terms of your distance. And everything else works as expected still. The reason why it took so long was because I kind of wanted to have 3 individual characters rather than skins, so I was trying to figure out the different stats that I could have increased differently so that they can kind of be a little bit different between the 3. But then design wise, I didn't even think that after a while of putting a lot of effort into that, I kind of felt like it wouldn't have made sense anyways, because this character would have been at like level 7 versus you upgrade this character and they start out at level 1, and that wouldn't, as a user, I would just continue to just basically use the one character since it's always gonna fly farther and faster anyways. Which took a lot of brain power to try to figure out prefabs and which stats. It was kind of crazy. So anyway, so I'm kind of happy that I went this route just for my own mental capacity, and also to just make things fun. I'm gonna be honest, I kind of played this for a while just to kind of feel the flow, and I did some not only debugging but balancing. Overall, I'm pretty happy with how it's going. It's pretty exciting to get to the add bonus and the spin, to try to get those few points that you need for the store, so I can upgrade here, but I can go ahead and do the add bonus and, increase it a little bit more rather than go down to 3. You know what I'm saying? So this is pretty exciting to the way this works out. Almost a 5, but you got the 3, so that's kind of fun. So it has a nice little its own fun aspects to it. Now it's all about focusing on art and sound and congruency. So hopefully it's not going to take long like the store did. I don't expect it to. But that's where I'm at. So just let me know how what kind of feedback you may have or what you think. All right, thanks.